Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to install Microsoft Recovery Drive. For creating the recovery, I will keep link in the description. Now we will learn how to install using that recovery drive. For that, now press power button, then press repeatedly the key for bootable devices. That differ based on OEM. For Samsung it is F10 and for HP it is F9. Now here you have to select the pen drive. Means what we are doing here is we will use that recovery to reinstall the operating system. First select the keyboard US, then it is asking what you want to do. What means you want to fix the operating system, or you need to reinstall the operating system, or you just want to go to bypass these things and go to OS, means boot the OS or turn off the OS. If you want to reset, you can do it here, but what we will do is reinstall the OS using that Microsoft Recovery Drive. So press enter. See, it is asking just remove files. This means if you are keeping your system, use this just remove files, means it will just reinstall the OS. Fully clean the drive. If you are selling your laptop, in that case you have to click on fully clean the drive. Now we will just click on just remove files only. Click on enter. Now it is saying what all things it will do. All personal files and user accounts will be removed, and whatever the programs you have not installed, means previously, means only OEM shipped things, according to them, means while creating what all apps was there, those apps will be only stay, other apps will be removed. Windows will be reinstalled from the recovery, means what we have created the Microsoft Recovery Drive, from that Windows will be reinstalled. If you have done any partition changes after creating the recovery drive, those things will be revolted from when we have created the recovery. Now we will click on enter, means recover. Now it will do its job, recovering PC. See, now it started installing the operating system.
Your device using a screen reader. Turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U.
I just muted. See, our motive was to reinstall OS using Microsoft Recovery Drive. We have successfully done this. This is just a setup now, so that will be same like other OS. So we have successfully installed recovery using, means we have used recovery to install the operating system which is of Microsoft. Thank you for watching, guys.